Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I'm going to share a lesson idea with you from this book. It's called Learning World, Ready for Learning World Workbook by Mikiko Nakamoto, and it's published by Apricot. So this book has lots of worksheets. Let's have a quick look inside, and then I'll share a lesson idea with you. This is one of her books. There are more. Let's have a quick look. There's coloring, alphabet, flags, printing, writing the alphabet, writing words, lowercase and uppercase, the days of the week, the months of the year, questions, answers, phonics, find the beginning letter of each word. So it's pretty easy. Anyway, I'm going to share a lesson idea with you. The lesson idea is let's. The lesson idea is on page 20 of this book. Japanese kids kind of know let's go, but they say let's go, okay? Let's fight, okay? They don't necessarily understand the word let's by itself. Let's look at the pictures and questions. Soccer, run, dodgeball, walk. Basketball, baseball, swim, volleyball. The prompt word is let's. You're asking others to take part in something. Let's play soccer. In this book there are two choices. Yes, let's, or no, let's not. Yes, let's in Japanese is hai, shimashou. No, let's not is ie, yamemashou. Let's take a look at the example. Let's play soccer. So look at soccer here. The boy is asking the girl. By looking at her face, you know it matches this one. So no, let's not. So a student needs to write no, let's not here. Let's look at number 1. Let's play dodgeball. So look for dodgeball down here. Look at this girl's face. Again, it's no, let's not. So the student needs to write no, let's not here. Let's look at number 2. Let's play baseball. Find baseball here. Look at her face. She looks happy, so it's got to be this one. Yes, let's. Get your students to do this exercise. Then practice asking them, let's study English. And they'll say, yes, let's. Okay? Or let's eat a sandwich. Let's eat potato chips. Yes, let's. Let's play a game. Yes, let's. Let's write English. No, let's not. Just kidding. Anyway, go ahead and play with this idea. Expand on this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.